Welcome to Carly Tackle's Dog Holes. And to be clear, I'm not talking about the holes that your dog digs in your front and backyard. I'm talking about the holes that you can find in your workbench, like this one. Now, it's very easy to add your own dog holes if you don't have them already. A typical dog hole diameter is 3/4 of an inch. You can check out my video that I did on making this workbench top and how I installed the dog holes in this table. Let's get started with some of the accessories that you can get for dog holes that make doing your job a lot easier. One of my favorite accessories is the horizontal hold-down clamp. You can place this shaft in any one of your 3/4 inch dog holes and take a piece of wood and hold it in place. Now this is an auto lock, meaning it automatically tightens and adjusts my board. You can adjust your tension on how loose this is. So that was a really tight snap. I can adjust that with that screw. Also, you can just pull up and say if I wanted to hold the board this way, it automatically holds that down. This is one of my favorite clamps that I have in my shop. Now this is the Armor brand, but there are some other brands out there. The next type of clamp is an inline clamp. Now these do come in different shapes and sizes. This is a Kreg inline clamp, and typically you pair this up with a bench dog, or you can call it a stop. Place the bench dog in one of your holes and whatever piece that you are working on, and stick the inline clamp in the other hole, and you can lock it in place. One of the great reasons to use one of these is when I'm sanding, if I was to use this hold down clamp, I couldn't sand this area right here. But if I just use the inline and the stops, this is such a low profile that I would miss it with the sander. So it's shorter than my board, and then I can just sand right over and I don't have to pick up my piece. There's a variety of different brands, some better than others. This is on the lesser expensive side, only about 20 bucks is what I paid for it. They make some nicer ones. Armor makes one that has an auto adjustment, auto lock-in that does a little bit better too. So the inline clamp and the horizontal clamps are some of the biggest accessories for the dog holes. And your inline clamps are normally paired up with a bench dog. Again, most of your dog holes accessories are 3/4 of an inch, and that's the diameter that your dog holes need to be. They do make accessories for, I believe, a 1-inch dog hole. So when you're shopping for accessories, check the diameter that they're meant to go in. Another accessory that I really like to use with dog holes is Rockler's bench cookies. You might be wondering, what does this have to do with dog holes? It's a flat puck. And you're right, it is. But Rockler sells accessories that are meant to fit into your dog holes. One of my favorite accessories is this riser. They have this little square platform, so it stops on your workbench. If I want a short, just barely slightly off my workbench, bench cookie, I would screw it into this end and stick it in the dog hole, and then it just slightly holds it off. If I want it to be really tall, I take the exact same riser and I screw it on the other end, and now I am tall. So these are the riser accessories. They also make an accessory that is basically a little screw at each end. You can screw in one bench cookie into another. That's what it's typically meant for. And this would lift your materials off of your surface as well. But the only negative side of this when you're doing bench cookie on bench cookie is it can be knocked over when you're sanding. So you can either unscrew one of the ends and just stick it in your bench cookie, and now it can't be knocked over, or you use these risers depending on how high you want your material, and now your bench cookie's solid. It's not going anywhere. You can also use these as a bench dog. So if I put this in one of my holes, it's flat on the surface, And now this board isn't going anywhere. A lot of your inline clamps, they have a little cut in them for your corners. So I could line this up with my corner of my board here, line up this other one on that corner, and now I'm holding it in place. So you could also do that, although it's a little bit tall if you're sanding. You'll hit your bench cookie and might mess up the nice rubber piece of it. Rockler also has these accessories for their bench cookies. These go right on top of your bench, on your pucks basically. You can use this one and it will help hold up your items so that way you can get to all of your sides when painting. Or if you need the finest point of contact, they make one that's a little point and you can do that. So those are some of the accessories that I like to use with my dog holes. The great thing about dog holes is they're spread out around your table. So depending on how small your work piece is, or maybe if it's a little bit bigger, the amount of holes in your workbench, you can easily adjust your space. I can have a clamp all the way down here on a really long piece, and I could use these inline clamps on the other side. So depending on how far you space out your dog holes, you can really use the full area to clamp it down. Thanks for watching Carly Tackles Dog Holes. If your workbench does not already have dog holes installed, you can check out my video on how I made this exact workbench. I'll include the link in the video description below. If you're interested in any of the accessories for your dog holes that you've seen today, I'll also include those links in the video description. I am an Amazon associate, which means when you use the links to purchase an item, I get a little extra kickback that goes towards supporting this channel, but it's at no extra cost to you. So if you're interested, please use the links below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you'd like to see more videos similar to this one, please subscribe to my channel, Carly Tackles DIY, Tools and Gadgets, Tips and Tricks, and make sure you hit that bell so you receive notifications when I release new content. Thank you.